Female contestant number 2! A 1-year free copy. Grabe! Sa aton yung mga coffee lover, balaan ko mga coffee lover, kaya sila nga duwa. Oo. Hindi lang sila mag-lover nga duwa. Coffee lover lang. Congratulations, male contestant number 5. Justina Montana, and female contestant number 2, we have Tony Rose Batilaran Caro. And also we would like to acknowledge the presence and arrival of Honorable Barangay Kagawad Joselito Tanoy Ricablaca. Tanoy Ricablaca. Okay. So dali lang. Grabe gid ang sumahay sang aton nga mga resort. Okay, thank you so much. You can now go back to your respective areas. Samtang gahulat kita sang aton nga result. Okay, so gusto nyo pala makita ang aton nga mga candidate sa TikTok? Kaya di ka reklamo, di rin iba hindi ko yan. Production. Also, thank you so much our panel board of judges, barangay officials, city organizers, SK councils, and sa ating mga participating candidates. Okay, so balingan na sa backstage candidate para hindi kita yawan. Okay, this time while waiting sa ating final tabulation, we will be entertained by an intermission number coming from Alright, once again, congratulations to female candidate number 2, Tony Rose Paro, and male candidate number 5, Justine Montana, our Mr. and Miss Popularity 2024. And thank you so much, Barangay Treasurer Melissa Poyat and Kagawad Nonoy Harangilla. And for our next special award, our Miss Photogenic and Mr. Photogenic. So requesting the organizers and also Miss Genevieve Elipio and Mr. Nico Nobleza to reveal the photo of our Mr. Photogenic, Miss Maria Teresa Monihar and Kagawad Roman Martinez to reveal the photo of our Miss Photogenic, who will be our Mr. and Miss Photogenic 2024. And our Mr. and Miss Photogenic 2024. Who among our 6 pairs? Alright, so are you ready, guys? Alright, so it's time to reveal our Mr. and Miss Photogenic for this year's Mr. and Miss Teen Salt Lakers 2024. And our Mr. Photogenic goes to male contestant number, and our female Miss Photogenic is female candidate number 6, Cristel Ann Magdael Molo, and Mr. Photogenic is male candidate number 5, Justine Monsalia. Once again, congratulations to our Miss Photogenic candidate number 6, Cristel Ann Molo, and Mr. Photogenic male candidate number 5, Justine Arellano Montania. Alright, thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the announcement of our minor awards. First, we have our Best in Production Number, male category. And Best in Production Number, female category, to be awarded by Mary Jeanette Elipio and Honorable Federico Shutay Abelia. And our Best in Production Number, male category, goes to candidate number. Our Best in Production Number, male category, goes to male contestant number. Male contestant number 5, Justine Montania. And Best in Production Number, female category, we have female candidate number. Female candidate number 2, Tony Rose. Alright, congratulations. Our Best in Production Number, male candidate number 5 and female candidate number 2. And thank you so much, Honorable Federico Shutay Abelia and Mary Jeanette Elipio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, next minor award will be our Best in Playsuit, male category. For our Best in Playsuit, male category, we have male contestant number. But before that, to award our Best in Playsuit, we request Maria Luisa Moniar and Mr. Mark Anthony Paro. Our Best in Playsuit, male category, we have male candidate number. Male candidate number 6. And Best in Playsuit female category is female candidate number 2. Once again, our Best in Playsuit male contestant number 6 and Best in Playsuit female candidate number 2. Congratulations! And for our next minor awards, our Best in Sportswear. Our best in sportswear male category. We have male candidate number ano? Ito naglinong ka mo, ha? Our best in sportswear goes to male candidate number 5. And our best in sportswear for female category, we have female candidate number 2. To award our best in sportswear, we have Belny Gabion and Kagawad Jorlan Larupay. To award our best in sportswear, we have Mama Sharon Montana. And also Mark Anthony Paro. Okay, si Archie, Judge Archie na lang ma-award sa best in sportswear. Once again, our best in sportswear, male contestant number 5, and best in sportswear, female contestant number 2. Congratulations! Next minor award will be our best in casual wear. Our best in casual wear, male category. We have male contestant number. Before that, to award our best in casual wear, now request Miss Maria Cristina Posingan and Mr. Renz Bolientes. Alright, to award our best in casual wear, we have Kagawad Joselito Ricablanca. And our best in casual wear, male category, goes to male candidate number 6. And best in casual wear, female category, goes to female candidate number 5. Alright, congratulations to our best in casual wear, male candidate number 2 and female candidate number 6 and female candidate number 5. And for our best in selling, to be be awarded by Miss Julian Servidad and Kagawad Romar Martinez. Our best in selling goes to pair number. Our best in talent goes to pair number 2. We have Tony Rose and Lance. Alright, thank you so much and congratulations. Our best in talent, pair number 2. And now, let's proceed to our next minor award. Our best in formal attire. And best in evening gown for our female category. And also to be awarded by Maricar de Villegracia and Kagawad Reynald Alvarado. And to our evening gown, we have Miss Marby Margarejo and Kagawad Tanoy Rica Blanca. And our best in formal attire goes to male candidate number. Male candidate number. Our best in formal attire goes to male candidate number 3. And our best in evening gown goes to female candidate number 3. Alright, congratulations to our best in formal attire is male candidate number 3 and best in evening gown female candidate number 3. And now, for our last minor award, our best in interview, male and female category, to be awarded by Ms. Sharon Rose Montagna, Mr. Mark Joseph Agana, Ms. Rose Amar Arroyo, Serino La Pascua, the 4th. Our best in interview, male candidate number. Our best in interview, male candidate number. Male candidate number 4. And best in interview, female category is female candidate number 2. Once again, our best in interview male category is male candidate number 4 And best in interview female candidate number 2. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our major awards. Ari na. Sinoayhan ang aton nga top 3 winners. For our second runner-up, male category. Our second runner-up, male category, is to be awarded by Alea Michelle Salvilla and Kagawad Romar Martinez. And to our second runner-up, female category, we have Maria Cristina Fosingan and Kagawad Reynan Alvarado. And our second runner-up, male candidate number. Di na ito mga supporters sa aton ng mga candidate, wala na bati, Our second runner-up goes to male contestant number 2. And female category for our second runner-up, female candidate number. Our second runner-up goes to female candidate number 6. We have Lance and Christelle, our second runner-up. Congratulations. Our second runner-up will receive a sash, a cash prize, and a crown. And also, sa ating female contestant, second runner-up will receive a bouquet. Once again, our second runner-up, male candidate number 2, and second runner-up, female candidate number 6. Alright, congratulations! And thank you so much, mga madam. And now, let's award our first runner-up. To award our first runner-up, we have Kagawad Jotay Abella and Julian Servidad. And also Kagawad Tanoy Noy Rica Blanca and Kagawad Nonoy Haranilia. Okay, and also to award, we have Barangay Treasurer Melissa Puya. And our first runner-up for our male. Requesting our candidates to please move backward. Ang aton yung second runner-up, dili na kamo sa tubang. Second runner-up. Second runner-up. Dali ka na sa tubang. Alright, so our first runner-up, male category, goes to male contestant number. Our first runner-up goes to male contestant number 6. And our first runner-up, Female candidate number 1. Also, our first runner-up will receive a crown, a sash, and a cash prize. And our Miss first runner-up will receive a bouquet. Once again, our first runner-up, we have male candidate number 6, and first runner-up female candidate number 1. Congratulations and thank you so much. Ari na sinoayhan sa aton ng mga nabilin nga kandidata ang pagkakoronahan as our Miss and Mr. Teen Salt Lakers 2024. To award our Mr. Teen Salt Lakers 2024, we have Cassandra Espresso and Renz Valientes. And to award our Miss Teen Salt Lakers 2024, we have and also thank you so much, Laundry Hub, by Joy Mendoza, the owner. And to award our Miss Teen Salt Lakers, we have Chief Judge Mark Joseph Agana. And also, Maria Cristina Fosinga. Okay, tanan na lang judge, please award our winners. And ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Teen Salt Lakers 2024 goes to male contestant number. Our Mr. Teen Salt Lakers 2024 goes to male contestant number 5. And our Miss Teen Salt Lakers 2024 goes to